kitchen again.
Alright, people, let's check and see what's on the menu for today. I'm hungry. Let's eat. So I decided to go to the Olive Garden today, people. You know, the Italian kitchen.
Yeah.
So I started my meal off with a garden salad, you know, with the $1,000 dressing. And it was a nice crisp salad, I must admit. You know, nothing to brag about. You know, a salad is a salad. So I'm waiting for my entree, you know, to really let you know what's up. So I take a peek over my shoulder and here comes the waiter with my plate. Look at here, look at here. So I got spaghetti with meat sauce. You know, we're going Italian, people. Okay, so you know spaghetti with meat sauce is not complete unless he cranked that dial up and add a little more of that Parmesan cheese. You understand what I'm saying? Come on, brother. Give me a little more of that Parmesan cheese, all right? People, let's not forget that we're at the Olive Garden. Now, you do know at the Olive Garden, they got the cracked black pepper. So I had to crack the black pepper all over the spaghetti. You know how we do. Some people call it getty. I call it spaghetti. But anywho, and it's not complete, people, unless you get the garlic bread.
Can't eat spaghetti without the bread.
Okay, so I've been waiting for this all night. I've been anticipating the first bite. You understand what I'm saying? And they got the spoon over there so you can twirl it on the spoon. You know, you gotta be professional when you're eating the spaghetti. I mean, you know what I'm saying. You know, when you're eating the spaghetti. So I twirl it all around and I got it all on this fork and I'm getting ready to eat it. Here you go. The first bite is for you. Delicious. Okay, people, so I'm experiencing spaghetti Novara. You know what I'm saying? Novara? How you say it? Spaghetti Novara. Anyway, if you're ever undecided on where you should eat your next meal, keep the Olive Garden in mind. People, the spaghetti is like that. You understand what I'm saying? And let's not forget this bread. This bread, soft, buttery. Garlic, yes. You can't beat it.
Yep.
Thank you for watching.